Well, in this tutorial, we will compile 4 clever methods for how to recover deleted notifications on Samsung across various Android operating systems. With these techniques, you can finally regain access to crucial information that might have been accidentally overlooked. Way 1. How to recover deleted notifications on Samsung settings. Android 12 or up. Open Settings and scroll down to choose Notifications. Go to Advanced Settings. Within the Notifications section, select the Notification History option. Check the recently dismissed notifications on Samsung. Way 2. How to recover notifications on Samsung Android via Notification History. Open the Settings app on your Samsung device. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Tap on More Settings. Notification History. Toggle on the option to enable notification saving. Way 3. How to recover notifications on Samsung after they disappear via NotiSaver. Open NotiSaver after the download and installation. Grant the app access to your notifications on Samsung. You'll then be directed to the main screen, which displays all notifications. Way 4. How to recover lost or deleted notification category on Samsung via Notification Log. Press and hold the home screen. Select Settings Widgets. Add it to the home screen. Choose Notification Log. View the cleared log on the home screen. Extra tip: how to recover deleted data on Samsung directly. You might discover accidentally deleted files on your Samsung device. Act swiftly to retrieve lost content directly from your phone. Consider choosing Mobican Doctor for Android, Windows, and Mac to avoid data overwrite.